Tired of complicated meal prep? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is about to revolutionize your kitchen and save you hours every week. This isn't just a pressure cooker, it's your go-to kitchen wizard, combining 9 essential appliances into one sleek unit, from slow cooker to yogurt maker. With 15 smart, customizable programs, you can effortlessly whip up everything from perfectly cooked rice to tender roasts at the touch of a button. Seriously, cooking has never been easier. The durable stainless steel inner pot means healthier cooking without non-stick coatings, and cleanup is a breeze. No more scrubbing stubborn food residue. What truly sets the Instant Pot Duo Plus apart is its unmatched versatility and intuitive design, making gourmet cooking accessible for everyone, every day. If you're looking for the best kitchen appliance to streamline your cooking, this is the smart investment you need to make in 2025. Ready to upgrade your culinary game? Check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon, using the link in our description for the latest deals. It's the ultimate time saver and flavor enhancer, making it a must-have for busy individuals and families alike. For an easier, tastier, and more efficient cooking experience, we highly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker.